Hi everyone, in today's video you are going to learn how to view the blocked senders in Outlook in 2026. Now this helps you check which emails are being blocked and lets you unblock anyone if needed. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to open your Outlook application on your computer. You can also do the same steps in your web browser. So here, once you are inside the Outlook dashboard, simply click on this settings icon on the top right hand corner of the screen. Over here, by default, it is going to show you the mail tab in front of you. So this is the tab that we want, but if you are in any other tabs, you just have to first of all click on the mail tab. Inside the mail tab, click on the option of junk email. In the junk email, simply just scroll down to the section which is called blocked senders and the domains. Here you will see the full list of the email addresses and the domains that are currently blocked in your account. So to unblock them, you just have to select the email in the list and click on the option of the trash icon right next to it. Outlook will remove them instantly from this blocked list. If you want to add a new blocked sender, you can just simply type, first of all, click on this add blocker sender option. After that, you just have to type the email address of that particular person whose email you want to send into this particular blocked senders and the domain section. Once you click on the option of OK, this will stop future emails from that sender from reaching your inbox. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.